Hey folks, it's Bob. I just got done having Sunday breakfast with my wife. Was looking at my emails, and I got a notification. Well, let me back up. I saw yesterday that we were up to $1,000 on our GoFundMe, and that's what I reported in this morning's video. And then I got a notification here a few minutes ago. We more than doubled that this morning. I can't tell you how much the high maintenance restoration team appreciates your generosity and the donations you've done. And I just want to say thank you. And so this week, I should be able to get the trays and the connectors for the radios. So again, from myself, the high maintenance crew, and our families, thank you so much. And maybe I'll drop another video this week if we get more. Thanks for watching. I wanted to give a quick shout out to Brett Prusso from Hammerhead Model Making, who's building our A26 in 48 scale, and here's some images of some of the preparation he's making for cutting windows and doing that kind of stuff. Thanks, Brett, for doing this project for us and making us shine even more. Thank you, sir.